Alright, hey guys, here we have a Chestnut Brown Hunter Original, aka Chocolate R&M Revers-Aire from 1981. This was an offer-up find recently. Came with these solid teak blades. The blades themselves are in good condition aside from warpage. There actually is a couple scratches here and there on the top, but that's nothing too bad. Came pretty much complete. Was mounted on a J-hook, but other than that, yeah, it came with the grommet and everything. So pretty excited about that. When I got it, it was a little bit stiff. It's less stiff now. But yeah, let's take a look at it. Finish is in really good shape. No scuffs whatsoever that I could see. This is a 2.5 amp one. Two speed. Alright, and let's start on low. Now obviously, since the blades are warped, it does have a considerable wobble. These all seem to kind of move around. I mean, they're usually not totally stationary, but they don't wobble terribly because of that heavy motor. It actually doesn't wobble that bad considering the blades. Plus the canopy's pretty tight up against the box, so. Alright, let's go to high. As you notice, yeah, I don't know if you can really tell how off balance it is because of blades, that is, how off balance they are, how fast it's going. As I was saying, I think I'm going to start leaving the lights off in the back because it makes the finish of fans pop a little more. The lights in the back kind of drown out the finishes, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I don't think the ones on the side do too bad, but the one in the center is the issue. Yeah, so it does have a pretty quick spin down. Alright, I am actually going to reverse it, so I will be right back. Alright, well that was a pretty painless process. I think this is really cool reversed, just because of how great the pitch is. Just take a look at that. I've always really loved these older originals. Alright, and let's start it on low. I never really cared for the 1.1 amp ones, obviously, because they're not really that great. But as far as Revers-Aire and adapter goes, I think I like adapter a little more. But I think Revers-Aire is kind of cool because it's more manual. Alright, and let's go too high. Obviously not really going to hear too much wind. A little 60 cycle hum if anything. But it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, let's do smooth out. Alright, well there's my chestnut brown Hunter Revers-Aire original. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.